Case 5 Nana, case 5 Nana, look here, this is the source Nana, this is the observer. In the case 5, both are in motion, that means velocity of source Vs, velocity of observer V0, source always to produce a sound, velocity of sound V, actual frequency of sound N. Here both are moving in same direction. Look here now. Here source and observer both are moving in both are moving in same direction. Look here now. In this situation, write n dash equal to n. Look here now, very important. V naught, V, Vs. Here sign convention write in this manner. Look here. For example, I take V0. Here V0. Other consider as a rest. Once again I repeat. Here sign convention write. It is moving. Other is to be rest. Here two is there. One is source. Other one is observer. Here observer is there. Source consider as a rest. Here according to source, observer is moving away. That means observer listen less sound means here write minus, okay, because directly proportional to, okay. Next Nana, here source can be taken. Here according to source, other to be rest. Here source can be taken. Here sign convention right, source is there. Here source can be considered, other to be rest. Here rest. Source moving towards the observer. Observer listen maximum sound. Here maximum, here minimum. Minimum means minus because both are inversely proportional. Now the question is, source and observer are moving, both are in the same direction. What is the apparent frequency formula? N dash equal to N into V minus V0 by V minus Vs. In the next case, Nana, look here, Nana, same case, Nana, case number 6. Here, look here, this is the source, this is the observer. Both are away from each other. Velocity of source is Vs. Velocity of observer is V0. Okay? Look here now. Vs. Velocity of source is Vs. Velocity of observer is Vo. Here, what is the general formula? N dash equal to N into, look here Nana, V, side thick, V0, here V, here Vs. Okay, N here, look here. First to write sign convention. Here V0 is there, other consider as a rest. Here, according to source, observer is moving away. That means listen less sound, Nana. Less sound means here write minus. Okay? Because directly proportional. Next Nana, here source is there. Here sign convention right. Yes, other consider as a rest. Here observer at rest. According to observer, source is moving away. Away means frequency less. Frequency here less and here more aval. Because inversely here plus. What is the N dash, Nana? N into V minus V0 by V plus Vs. This is the formula for apparent frequency when source and observer moving away from each other. Okay? This is next case, Nana. Case number 7, Nana. Look here. Case number 7, Nana, very important. This also listen carefully. Here source is there. This source is considered as a rest, Nana. Okay. Here observer. Look here, Nana. Observer moving in the circular path. Look here. This is the source, Nana. Source is at rest, Nana. observer observer moving along the circular path along the circular path. Source is at rest and placed at center. Okay. Here observer velocity is right as v naught. It will be drawn according to tangent. This is the line of sight. Look here. This is the line of sight. Observer is here. Distance is same. Observer is here. Source and observer distance is same. Observer is here. The distance between source and observer is same. That means there is no relative distance. There is no Doppler effect. Here source always produce the same sound. Observer listen also same sound, because this is the circular path. That means the distance between observer and source is same. So always observer listen same sound. Observer listen same sound. And another important point also given. This is the line joining between source and observer. Nana. Here observer moves perpendicular to source, because this is perpendicular 90 degrees. That means observer moves perpendicular to source. Observer moves perpendicular to line of sight of source. Then there is no Doppler effect. Actually here always observer is in the same direction, same distance of source. Nana. So that's why there is no Doppler effect. In other point is, this is the line of sight, line of joining between source and observer. Here observer moves perpendicular to line of sight, line of joining between source and observer. That means there is no Doppler effect. Okay. This is the case 7. Next case Nana. Here case 8 Nana. Look here. Case 8. Look here Nana. Here also. Look here. Here source Nana. This is the observer. Here source is moving in the circular path Nana. Observer is in center of the circle. Here also Nana, the distance between source and observer always same Nana. So observer always listen same sound Nana. There is no apparent change in sound Nana. Here also there is no Doppler effect. Here also source moving perpendicular to line of sight. There is no Doppler effect. Simply called as source and observer moves perpendicular to each other. There is no Doppler effect. And there is no relative motion between source and observer. There is no Doppler effect. These two importance are limitations of Doppler effect. Okay. Next case Nana. Case number 9 Nana. Look here all of you. Case number 9 is very important Nana. This is look here Nana. Observer Nana. Observer. What is the use of observer? Always listen sound Nana. What is the use of source Nana? What is the use of source Nana? To produce sound Nana. Source moving in this direction. I consider 3 points Nana. One is A, other one is B, other one is C. Okay. Here at A, what is the apparent frequency? Look here Nana. This is the line of sight Nana. Because here source is placed, here observer is placed. This is the line of sight Nana. Okay. Here this angle is theta. Here source velocity is Vs. This Vs resolve. This component is what here? Vs cos theta. At A, apparent frequency is N into V, V naught, V, Vs. Here observer at rest, V naught becomes 0 Nana. Observer at rest in this situation. Here source here in the line of sight, source moving towards the observer. That means observer listen maximum sound. These are inversely here minus Nana. But here no Vs. It will be right as Vs resolve, Vs cos theta. on the line of sight Vs cos theta is there. Next another point is nana NB. Here this point name is what here B. Okay, look here nana. This point B here source is placed. The line joining this line according to source motion perpendicular. In the previous situation I discussed, source and observer moves perpendicular. There is no Doppler effect. That means apparent frequency equal to actual frequency when Doppler shift becomes 0, because Doppler shift means apparent frequency minus actual frequency. Apparent frequency 500, actual frequency 500. 500 minus 500 equal to 0. That means Doppler shift becomes 0. In the situation of NB, because the line of sight and source always perpendicular here, so at B there is no Doppler effect. Next situation nana C. Here look here nana NC nana NC. Look here nana, all of you look here. Here NC nana, this is the C nana. Okay, here these are moving away. Here source is velocity of source is denoted by Vs nana. This is the line joining between the source and observer. Here look here. Here this angle is theta. Automatically according to mathematics, interior angle equal to exterior angle. It resolve. This is Vs cos theta. Here observer, here source is moving away. That means observer listen less sound nana. NC equal to N into V by V. Observer listen less sound means here plus nana. Both are inversely Vs cos theta. These three formulas are most important at situation A. Source moving towards the observer. At situation B, source and observer perpendicular to each other. There is no Doppler effect. At situation C, source moving away from the observer. Away means in this chapter receding. Once again I will discuss receding. Receding means away. Okay, what is the meaning of receding? Away. These 9 concepts, listen carefully, and to solve the assignment nana, today also I give assignment 84th problem to 94th problem of just after half an hour. I send in your WhatsApp groups, NPL1 group and NPL2 group. I send the same class and problems also. Again see the same class, and solve the all problems. Today only 11 problems is given, 11 questions and 11 solutions is given. Please nana today to listen once again class. What is the meaning of Doppler effect? There is a relative motion between source and observer. Apparent change in frequency heard by the observer. That phenomena is called as Doppler effect. That means there is no relative motion, there is no Doppler effect. There is a relative motion, there is a Doppler effect. This video, same class video I send in your YouTube channel. Okay, please see and please subscribe first video and listen all formulas, 9 formulas, and solve the 11 problems in this class nana. Please clearly listen and see the video and again to solve the assignments. Yesterday also 2 questions post in the group and I send also answers also in the evening time. Okay, today also any doubts to post them. In this week argon pipes is there, last week syllabus argon pipes is there, beads is there, and again Doppler effect is there, Doppler effect also there. Today Doppler effect, next day to complete all topics nana. Friday just revise the Doppler effect. Okay, bye, see you.